So I got my ultimate cat toy today. Bought it for my cat Luna. She's gonna be really excited for this. Let's check it out. You got the user guide. You got the ultimate cat toy. You got the 6-inch string, the 3-inch tassel, 5-inch feather, zip line with gnarlhead screws, the 2-button remote, and the adapter. The ultimate cat toy. I'll show you how it works.
All you have to do is just hook this hook around the zip line. You're all set.
You can even hook it around a tree. A fence. You can practically do it anywhere.
So what you want to do is align the zip line across the 2 upper pulley wheels and push down under the center pulley wheel. And make sure it slides across easily back and forth. So this is the retractable drop line with the alligator clip and a gnarlhead screw. With the gnarlhead screw you can adjust the length of the drop line and attach your desired lure to the alligator clip.
And then turn the cat toy on.